Have you ever heard of the lion diet? This subset of the carnivore diet is based entirely on consuming ruminant meat, salt, and water. It's a strict version of the carnivore diet, eliminating all other foods. Intriguing, isn't it? When it comes to meal prep, you can prepare ruminant meat in a variety of ways. So, buckle up as we guide you through a meal prep process for 2 or more weeks. First, compile your shopping list. Buy a variety of ruminant meat cuts for different meals. You may opt for steak, ground beef, stew meat, brisket, ribs, and so on. Depending on your preference and budget, you might choose more expensive cuts like ribeye or more economical cuts like chuck roast or ground beef. Don't forget to stock up on high-quality salt like sea salt or Himalayan salt for seasoning. And of course, ensure you have plenty of water for drinking. Next, plan your meals. Decide on portion sizes that fit your daily caloric and nutritional needs. A typical range is between 0.8 to 1.2 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day. To keep your meals interesting, choose a variety of cooking methods such as grilling, frying, roasting, and slow cooking. Now comes the fun part. Meal prep. Cut the meat into serving sizes or use the ground beef as needed. You can grill, fry, roast, or slow cook your meat. All methods require seasoning with salt. Once cooked, allow the meat to cool. Then portion out meals for the week and store in airtight containers. Freeze the portions you won't eat immediately. In your weekly routine, eat the portioned meals as planned and remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Keep in mind a few tips to enhance your lion diet experience. Mix up your cuts to provide variety in texture and taste. Balance lean and fatty cuts for optimal energy. Pay attention to how you feel on the diet and adjust portion sizes as needed. Utilize batch cooking for efficiency. Remember, the lion diet is very restrictive and may not provide all the nutrients your body needs over a long period of time. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major dietary changes. In summary, the lion diet is a strict carnivore diet that involves eating only ruminant meats, salt, and water. Meal preparation involves buying a variety of meat cuts, planning your meals, preparing and storing the meals, and following a regular eating routine. The diet requires careful monitoring and professional health advice. Stay informed, stay healthy, and enjoy your journey on the lion diet.